kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Golden color, pink color, green color and red color. Let's start. Red color, A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for eyes. G for joker. Green color. A for avocado. B for banana. C for camel. D for donut. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for frog. G for girl. H for house. I for eyes. J for jug. Red color and green color. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for carrot. D for donkey. E for elephant. F for flower. G for guava. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for jelly. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.